Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Apex Legends error code shoe, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing I want you guys to do is go over to Steam, uh, right click on Steam, go over to Library and then click on Apex Legends, double click on it, hit on Property. From here you want to go over to Installed Files. From installed files, go over to verify integrity of games files and click on that. Once you're done verify integrity of game files, I recommend restarting your PC. And before that, you can also restart Steam, and you can do that by clicking on Steam in the top left corner, hit exit, and then that will restart Steam, and then go ahead and restart your PC. And you can also right click on Steam again, and then hit run as administrator and open up Steam this way. And then this should also help fix the issue. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.